All right, we are going to use a picture as a reference to draw our own astronaut helmet. This is going to be a part of a work of art that we can add other elements, maybe even add a reflection of what the astronaut is looking at. So I want you to pick a basic shape. I am choosing for the mask. We'll start with the mask. I have my paper landscape. You can do it portrait if you want, but I'm using landscape so I can add some other elements to my art later. And I'm going to make the screen, the facial portion of this, an oval shape. It's almost like a rectangle with softened edges. So take a minute to work out the size of your astronaut's helmet based on the facial screen area. And while you're doing that, I'm just going to add another line around mine. Lots of detail work in this are going to make it special. Lines and shapes mostly. The helmet itself can be a circle. I'm going to draw a circle around the whole screen mask. And the rest is detail work. You'll want to bring the shoulders down to the bottom of the paper. Our astronaut is so close to us that we only see the mask. I want the ability for my astronaut to receive messages. This is the ear section. Maybe some oxygen tube for that. You are able to use lines and shapes however you want for the detail work. Lines and shapes, maybe some circles for buttons. Yours may not be this big. You might see more below. All of these details are up to you. I'm really just spacing it off so that I can use colors in my work of art, in my finished work of art. If you used a pencil, now's the time to use a marker. I used a marker so that you could see and erase things and make adjustments as you go, and then we'll worry about what's happening behind the astronaut later. Good luck.